Dear friends, okay, today our topic is anybody planning to purchase a RTM. RTM means ready to move. Okay, it's a technical term in the real estate. Okay, so when you plan to purchase a ready to move, it may be the commercial or less residential. The one thing you should make it clear in your mind, it may not fulfill your 100% your expectation. Don't mistake me, I'm giving the negative points, something like that. No, it is happening. We are facing our clients' expectations and the experience. That's the reason I just want to give a checklist to avoid all those things. You just fix your budget. Number 2, fix your facing east, west, north, south according to your desire. And number 3, and the location, it is much important. And number 4, the size of the building, maybe 2 BHK, 3 BHK, or in above than that also. That has to be decided. Because, I'll tell you later. Okay, so this is the 5th is the goods property owner either, or less the bridge in between buyer and property owner, as like you can call it as a service provider. These 5 points, if it is very much important, that you keep in your mind, you should select with the your checklist first. Okay, if it is a checklist, fulfill your requirement, then ಅದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಮನೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. When you enter into that home, you should check that according to your dream ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಮೈಂಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಗಳು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ 80% ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಗೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. 80-20 ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಸೊ 80 ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ನಿಮ್ ರೆಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು. 20% ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಡದೇ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತವೆ, ಬೇಡದೇ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಾಂಪ್ರಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ RTM ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. 100% ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 100 ಮನೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು 100 ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ you will find the one or other problems. So that is the reason, my dear friends. So 80-20 ratio, it will support you. If any consultant or else if you want any RTM, please contact us. We'll support you. IRA Selter team will end to end will give you the entire things. Thank you.